Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 test of oral past question English language. So we are using this particular instruction to answer this question number 21, which says that we should look out for the option among the list of options provided that has the same consonantal sound as in the given word, particularly the underlined letters. So let's quickly translate these words in their international phonetic transcription so that we get the correct option. So this word is pronounced as bathed. So what we have there is long R sound with sin theta, not the T sound. So option A is pronounced as at. So we have long R, but take note that TH are underlined. At. So we have long R in this word. Then option B is pronounced as days. Z, not those, as people pronounce it is those. Z. Then option C is pronounced as bit. The TH here sound t, not as in sin theta. T. Then option D is pronounced as tie. The TH here in this word also sound as sin theta, so we use sin theta to represent the TH as its symbol or phonics. So by this transcription we find out that the word that has the same consonantal sound as in the given word is option D, because the TH in the word bathed sound as t, and also the TH in the word tie also sound as t. So sin theta replaced both of them. Because of this, option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.